Hey guys, I am Liuyang from Master Firework. Welcome to this issue of a weekly product recommendation. Okay, let's start it. Today, the product I show you is party poppers, which is a kind of novelty. In this box, there are totally 72 party poppers. So how to use this like a bucket. So let me show you. Firstly, turn it upside down like this, and then fill out the white line. 然后就拔了。Wow, it's so really loud, right? Okay, as you can see, there is all the colorful paper, all the thing fly out just below that. So there is a not of mystery below this. Look and try, you will like it. Okay, that's all the today's sharing. See you next time.